Hey guys, Lynette here, and in today's video we are opening up another Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. So let's get in and let's get into the box. Alright guys, welcome back. So like I said, we're opening up another Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. This month is for the month of June. For me, if you've been watching my channel or if you're following me on my blog, I have the information below if you want to follow the blog. You guys know it has been a while since I've opened up an Ipsy box. Now, why? If you're curious. Now, if you like subscription boxes, beauty reviews, everything in between, definitely make sure you check out my blog because I actually post more content on the blog than I do on YouTube. But anyway, or definitely make sure you're subscribed if you just love videos. All right, so for me, it's been a while because as you guys know, Ipsy is a monthly subscription. Now this Ipsy Glam Bag Plus is actually $25 a month. You get 5 full-size products. Now the reason why it's been a while since I've opened up Ipsy on this channel is because they do give you an option to choose one product. Now every month, it hasn't been like the best products in the world, so I've actually been skipping Ipsy for a while. So it's been a couple months since I've actually opened up Ipsy. Now this month I was curious on one of the products that I actually got to choose, so that's the reason why I'm opening up this one. So definitely, if you love getting full-size products or beauty products that you get to try, this is definitely a good one. So I would definitely recommend it, and I'll have the information down below. And it's kind of cool because they do, as you review the boxes and you let them know what you like, there is a beauty profile that you guys get to choose. So you can kind of get to let them know what you like and what you don't like. So you actually get points and then you get free products. So I love that too, getting free products. Who doesn't? All right, so I did actually order a product using my points. I'm hoping it's going to be in here too. So fingers crossed, we'll see. Because if you look at it, it looked like that when it came in the mail today. So it's kind of weird that it's protruding like that, but hopefully nothing is missing and there's like 5 products in there. All right, so every month it does, like I said, come in this box here, and you see it says Ipsy. Hopefully that protrusion means it's good for me. I don't know. And then inside, I'm trying to hide it so you guys don't see it. Inside looks like this, and they also usually put like this foam so nothing moves around, nothing gets lost. And they usually give like a postcard with information. For whatever reason, I get stuck without any info on the product. So it is what it is, but I don't care about the postcard. I'll have it on my blog on the retail value of this box. So I won't be able to give that to you because that's usually what's on the postcard, but that's okay, I digress. All right, so the first thing I'm pulling out here is, these are sheet masks. And if you follow the channel, you guys know I totally love sheet masks. So I have, let me see. It looks like these are 6 sheet masks. So it looks like it's 2 packs of 3. So let me see if I can show you guys this. You guys can see. So I'll open up one package because it looks like it's the same set of 3 in the other. So this is from J. Jun Cosmetics. So this one here is a calming sheet mask. I said mask. So that's what that looks like there. And on the back, it always tells you how many minutes to leave it on. So this one, I'll figure, it says 10 to 20 minutes. So this is for calming. And I like to use my sheet mask on Sundays because that's usually when I relax, or Saturdays. The next one we have here is a brightening sheet mask. This is sea berry sheet mask. So that's what that is here. And then the last one is an avocado nourishing mask. So that's what that looks like there. And then another pack. So basically 6 sheet masks in the box. So that's a lot. I'm surprised. Usually I've gotten sheet masks before, but there's like 1 or 2. This is the first time I've actually got 6 sheet masks. So that one is a good box. All right, so the next thing we have, and every month if you have Ipsy, you actually get a bag. So it comes with a makeup bag on there, so you guys can see that. It's super cute. It looks like they're ladies on the beach laying out in the sun, and then inside it's yellow, so it's lined in yellow, and then the outside is green. So this is super cute. And then let me see what I have here. So the next thing we have here is from Araceli, and this is a liquid eyeliner I don't know the color of it because like I said, I don't have that postcard, but it does have a liquid liner. Let me see if we can tell the color here. It looks like that's gonna be like a black color. I like liquid liner, so that's super cool. Not mad at that one at all. I actually prefer, I used to love pencil eyeliners, but actually I'm starting to totally dig liquid because it just makes your line, the eyeliner more straight. And then let me see. So we have, the next thing we have here is actually Dr. Brandt Pores No More Luminizer Primer. So that's what that is here. So that's cool. And let me take a look here and see. Now this is 1 fluid ounces. And again, like I said, I know Dr. Brandt is more of a more expensive brand. So I'm definitely gonna put the total retail value on my website. So just so you guys can get a feel of this, to see if this was worth it. So that's what that one is. And then let me see if there's a seal on it. No, there's not. So let me give you guys an idea. So there's the liquid liner. It does look like it's like a light nudish color, if you can see that. And then it's not really like a scent. It smells like makeup. It smells like foundation. So I smoothed that out. You kind of can still see that, but I did smooth it out and goes on smooth, creamy. It kind of looks like a creamy foundation is what it looks like, but again, it's primer, so it's not really meant to be that base foundation, but it's definitely a great, I don't mind getting primer, especially from Dr. Brandt. I've gotten, I think my first Dr. Brandt product was actually in my FabFitFun, my very first FabFitFun, and that was like for under eye. I forgot what it was called, but it was something like to the effect of no more eye or something like that. But that was my very first FabFitFun. And the next thing we have here is, let me see. This is from Laura Geller. This is Urban Garden Central Park. So this is a face, eye, and cheek palette. Okay, that's cool. I don't mind getting a combination. So this is really a roundabout palette. So that's cool. Central Park. All right, so I'm from New York, so I definitely appreciate the Central Park version there. So that's what the outer palette looks like. That's pretty. This is actually very pretty to me. So this is something that I can definitely throw in my purse. And this is what the inside, let me just hide this, the mirror. That's what the inside looks like there. Is that mirror too? No, this is just, okay, sorry, just wanted to make sure. So this has, it looks like these are the eyeshadows, and then this is the blush, and then for your face, the highlighter. So those are the three different sections for your face. So let me see. I'm actually going to swab these so you guys can get an idea of how this swabs here. I'll take the two boldest colors out of the whole palette here. So that's how that looks. So not bad if you think about it. This is like a good, simple little palette that you can take out with you in your purse. Like I said, this is definitely like something that you can travel with. And I especially love the packaging of this. Really pretty. Let me know in the comment section below if you guys have ever heard of this one before. I've heard of Laura Geller. It says Laura Geller, New York, but the packaging is super cute to me for some reason. I love it. All right, so I like that. So far, definitely digging everything in the box so far. All right, and then the next thing we have here, the last thing, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so this is everything I've gotten. So the last thing we have here is, and there's actually one more product that I'm gonna talk to you guys about. This is Tulip Skincare. This is actually what I chose to get in this box. So this is Protect and Glow. This is a daily moisturizer. So that's what that looks like there. It actually, you can see that better here. And then let me see if you can tell. 1.7 fluid ounces. And then this is for your face during the day. The reason why I chose this one instead of the other options, I saw the reviews on this product and they were really, really good. So let me see if it has like that SPF. smell to it. That's always what throws me off with day creams. I can't stand the SPF because this does have SPF in it. Yeah, it has UVA protection. Thank goodness, and that's what I saw in the reviews. Folks were saying it didn't have like that strong SPF scent. It does not. Let me just put this out again so you guys can see that yourself. And it has like a yellowish, light yellow tone to that. And then it does not smell like overly SPF-y because those stink to me. And then it smooths out, and it's supposed to give you like some sort of a light glow also. So I don't know. Anyway, now that's everything that came in my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. Now I told you guys, thank God, it's ironic, but I told you guys that you can accumulate your points by doing reviews. And I've had Ipsy for about a year, so I decided to use my points. Now, I wanted this really bad, and I was hoping it was in this box. So thank goodness that's why the box was protruding all the way outside the way that it was, which was weird. I've never seen a box like that before, that I've gotten anyway. All right, so what I got, and I used my points. I used my points for It Cosmetics Confidence in a Cleanser. So that is what I got for free. So guys, save your points until you actually see something that you like. I think this was like, I think you get like 20 points every time you do a review and you review the box. They give you a certain amount of points. So I don't remember how many points it took for me to get this, but this is 5 fluid ounces. So this is a cleanser. So I got this for free, which is cool. So I didn't pay for this at all. So it looks like they gave me, what is this? It says Confidence in a Cream. It doesn't say what this is though. What is this? It's like a little sample of something. I guess I'll figure it out. Oh, this is, I couldn't see. This is Transforming Moisturizing Super Cream is what that says. So I get to try that also. So after I wash my face, I can try that. And then we have the full size of Confidence in a Cleanser. Oh, so this is Confidence in a Cream. It says it right there. So I'm super blind. I'm sorry, guys. And then this is Confidence in a Cleanser. Huge bottle, guys. Definitely going to try this out and give you guys a review on my blog. So definitely stay tuned for that. If you haven't tried this, I can at least give you a full review of this product here. So I'm super stoked. So let's do a recap and talk about what all came in the box. So of course, like I said, we have Confidence in a Cleanser, but that was my point. So it kind of doesn't, it doesn't count, but it does because it did come in my box. And then we have Laura Geller. We have the Face, Eye, what is this? Face, Eye, and Cheek palette. And then we also have the Tulip Skincare Day Cream. We have that. And then we also have Dr. Brandt Luminizer Primer. We have that. And then we also have the black eyeliner, liquid eyeliner from Araceli. And then of course we have our 6 face mask, super cool. So what did you guys think of, what did you guys think of the June box that I received? Definitely let me know in the comment section below. Did you guys get any of the products I got? If you didn't, let me know in the comment section below what you guys got. I'd love to hear what you guys got. Just curious because every box is so different, we're all not going to get the same products, but at least we can kind of compare and see what we loved from our boxes. So with that being said, you guys enjoy the rest of your day, and make sure you like, comment, and subscribe so you never miss another video. Have a good day, guys.